What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can get to the Captain's Cache, where you can use the Captain's Cache key. If we hit M and look at the very far south of the map over here, you'll see an island all the way here. This is where we need to head. Best idea is to get a boat or at least swim from somewhere semi-nearby. For me, because there's no boats nearby, I'll just have to cast off and swim from wherever is closest. It's that little shipwreck over there. There we go, after a short swim, we've finally arrived here. All we need to do is get aboard and get up to the middle floor. So I'll head across to the side and up, then up here, and inside of this door, we'll see locked key required. The Captain's Cache is over here. It's located once again at the top over here, which is the middle floor. So anyways, that's really about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.